Ellie channel, and today we're going to be learning how to make a mean grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, so first off you got to get your ingredients. So we have bread, cheese, lots of cheese because it's mean and it's going to be oozing, my secret ingredient, and mayo. My family growing up used mayo instead of butter because my dad thought that mayo made it taste better, so we're using mayo. Fun fact. Alright, so first you get 2 slices of bread and you put the mayo on the bread. Make sure you get all corners so it looks golden brown instead of white. Okay, once you do that, I'm going to take my secret ingredient and pinch and sprinkle it on the mayo. The secret ingredient is garlic powder. So once you get your bread ready, you're going to walk on over to the grill where you have your frying pan. And this is a no-stick frying pan, but we're going to spray it with no-stick cooking spray. Just, you know, in case it might stick. You never know. Should probably do this outside. And then you turn it on to medium heat and you let it wait. Then you go back over here to the bread and you grab 2 slices of cheese and the bread, or 1 piece of bread. Come back over here. Have to do it quickly. Throw it on and the cheese towards the bottom, and then you take the other cheese and you split it in half. You put 1 on the top and 1 right in the middle. Then you grab your other piece of bread, you bring it back over and you place it on top, and then you wait. Today, helping me record this video is my best friend, Tyson. So, while we wait for this grilled cheese to cook, we'll talk about the grilled cheese. How do you think this is going to taste?
I think it won't be that bad, but I guess we'll see.
Oh no! Kind of smell it, right? And you can see the smoke. So it's time to flip it to the other side. Oh shit. That one's a little crispy. It's okay. It's doable. Just don't put the other side on for as long. It's okay. It's okay. It's perfect. Just turn down the temperature a little bit. and you can smell it. So you get your plate, take your spatula, and you flip it onto your plate. Turn the oven off and move the pan. We're gonna turn the fan on because the smell is horrendous. One mean grilled cheese. Take a spatula, cut it in half. Hot, oh, hot, hot, hot. Ow, ow, I just burnt my finger. All right, one mean grilled cheese. I'm gonna grab my other special ingredient, ketchup. Small sip. All right, cheers. Hot, it's hot. That's too hot. Burn my mouth. Okay. Retry this. I feel like a 3-year-old. That's one good mean grilled cheese. Try it. It's not that bad. It's good.
Yeah.
It is. That's a mean grilled cheese.
That's a mean grilled cheese.
It's a mean grilled cheese. Thanks for tuning in today. See you next week.